Guys, I can see from here.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. So today I'm going to be preparing pepper soup. Delicious yummy pepper soup in the abroad. But listen to what I have for you this year.
Hi guys, so this year, 2024, I have decided to be on you guys' faces, okay? So I'm going to be preparing pepper soup today. I don't know if I'm in frame. Am I in frame? I'm looking sexy, guys, and this hair is giving me what it should give. So I want to prepare pepper soup today in the UK. And you guys know most of the things we're using to prepare this pepper soup, like we can't really find them, but I'm going to be improvising and using the things that I have to prepare this. I have promised myself, like I said, to be on you guys' face in 2024, and that's on a period. So you guys are going to be seeing me always on this platform. So I told my husband I want to make pepper soup for him, and he said I should first of all make a bar for him to eat before I start up the pepper soup. So that is what we are going to start doing now.
Imagine bringing out my time that I want to cook pepper soup, delicious one. My husband said, no, I want to eat this okra soup. I'm craving this okra soup. That's what I want to eat. And as a good wife that I am now, I had to go prepare the okra soup and make a bath for him before I start cooking my pepper soup. But before I started off by washing my plate because I have some dirty dishes I didn't wash yesterday. So I had to like wash it today. Guys, it's been honeymoon for me since today. I've just been lying down, not standing up. But yes, I am done making his food for him and I went to serve him. And coming back, I was just dancing for joy, right? So it is time for us to prepare our yummy pepper soup. So I started off by bringing out the things I'm going to use for this pepper soup. So I'm going to be using chicken and I'm also going to be using liver and also heart, shaki and pomo. So this chicken was brought back home yesterday by my husband and I loved it because it's been long I got this kind of food chicken. And the one I've been getting at Morrison, the price there, like the price too cost. So what I started off by doing, I just cut it, like I cool down to like cut it very, very, like cut it this size. I mean, this is, I don't know what this is called though, but they call it nyash. They call it chicken yansha. So I don't like that part. So most times before I cook, I used to take it off. And this is one hard part that I decided to like cut into three parts. So this is liver I was talking about. What I did first was to start cutting. But before I cut it, we had to like analyze it. And I was telling someone, it be like say stomach get two parts, and the person was like, it's a lie. So the last one you guys saw was the heart, and this is the shaki, and also the pomo that I'm going to be adding. These were the leftover I had previously, and I had to bring it out because why not? When you're cooking pepper soup, the pepper soup needs to so like the pepper soup needs to be peppering. So I started off by washing my pots and washing the meat that I'm going to use. I went in to put the pomo and the shaki because these ones are the hard one. They are the hard parts. I mean, my teeth no strong. You know, strong reach my husband. Oh, my husband can actually eat it like maybe when I boil everything together. But for me, make I just cook and first. So I started off by cooking the pomo and chicken. I first of all start boiling that one, and I went in to wash the chicken and also to wash the liver because these were the softer parts. So I am done washing, and this is the stuff I'm going to be using. I'm using uziza powder. I'm using this pepper soup spice I brought from Nigeria, and this utazi leaves. I don't even know. Someone advised me to. My friend advised me to use that utazi leaf, and I've been enjoying it. So I did a little unboxing of this microwave. I'm going to be showing it to you guys in my next video. So stay tuned. So at this point, my meat, my shaki, and also pomo was already half cooked. So I went in to add the chicken and the liver inside, and I went in to put in some spices as well. So this is me adding the pepper soup spice, and I added the utazi. Please, if you're using utazi, make sure say na small you add. Do not go pack plenty utazi put inside. You can't say your soup they bitter or your pepper soup they bitter. And I went in to also add the crayfish, the leftover crayfish. But this crayfish is not giving what it should give. My dear, if you are in UK, you should know what I'm saying. Except maybe you are buying from the local people, the people that are importing from Nigeria and bringing it here. If it is not Nigerian crayfish, it can never be Nigerian crayfish. You catch me. I just dey taste am. I say make I taste wetin I dey cook. Na person wey cook dey chop. Yes, my meat is already done because I tasted the shaki part and it was soft. I added this parsley because I wanted that green spice on it. So guys, I'm almost done cooking. Like my pepper soup is giving what it should give. My pepper soup is pepper souping. It's pepper souping. Guys, I can see from here. The soup is pepper souping.
Hey, I'm going to show you guys what I just made. I'll show you guys. Let me just show you guys now.
You needed to have been here to have a taste of this goodness. The aroma is heavenly. The aroma is yummy. Like, guys, this pepper soup was giving me what it should give. Yes, I had to taste it again on the camera for you guys to understand what I mean by this aroma, and this pepper soup was giving all it should give. So if you are in the UK or you are in the abroad, you don't need to break the bank for cooking any Nigerian meal. You can just improvise with anything you have. So I was done, no, and this is what I ate my pepper soup with. I ate it with jollof rice. Okay, bye. I see you in my next vlog.